Hi guys, I'm with another video. Today's topic is all new 12 principles in PMBOK 7. But before I move on, let's talk why PMBOK is changing. Alright. Until now, PMBOK was mainly focusing on waterfall project management techniques. However, with the fast-paced technology, competition, and harsher than ever and ever before, product life cycles are shorter and requirements of the product or project can change over time depending on the progress of the project. So PMI has come up with this all new PMBOK 7 to address those issues. Alright. So the biggest change in the shift from process-based project management to principle-based project delivery. Instead of processes, inputs, outputs, tools and techniques, project delivery focuses on principles and outcomes. So as you know, today's topic is 12 principles. I'm going to discuss very briefly on define in the standard of project management. However, before we discuss the 12 principles, let's see the differences between PMBOK 6 and PMBOK 7. So PMBOK 6, we were discussing about the process groups, initiation, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling and closing. But in all new PMBOK 7, it's all about the 12 principles. One thing you need to do is go check in Agile Manifesto. If you are already practicing Agile project management, you must be knowing what is Agile Manifesto is. Compare the 12 principles given in Agile Manifesto are the same as this given in PMBOK 7. The PMBOK 7 tells stewardship, team, stakeholders, value, holistic thinking, leadership, tailoring, quality, complexity, opportunity and threats, adaptability, resilience, change management are the 12 principles. So check once again with Agile Manifesto. Number 1, stewardship is be a diligent, respectful and caring steward. Okay, once again I'm very briefly going through all 12 principles. Number 2, all about building a perfect team. Build a culture of accountability and respect. So develop team was a process group, process area, process in PMBOK 6. So once again, PMBOK 7 it discuss further more accountability and respect are also in it. Number 3, the stakeholders, a key process from PMBOK 6. So it's all about engage stakeholders to understand their interests and needs. So understanding the needs is a highlight in PMBOK 7. And then with that we move to number 4, the value. Focus on value. This is where we give a dollar value to the project or the project work that we are doing. So there will be some calculations under this topic, under this principle. And then a new one from PMBOK 6 which we did not find, that is holistic thinking. Recognize and respond to systems and interactions. So we'll come up with few new ones in PMBOK 7 of course. The number 6 is leadership. It's all about motivating your staff, influencing them, coaching or training them and learn. You'll find learn in few principles because learning has given more weight in PMBOK 7. Number 7, tailoring. One of the key new things you'll find in PMBOK 7. I'll be doing another video dedicated to tailoring. Tailoring is all about tailor the delivery approach based on the context. That's what the PMBOK 7 says. And then we come to the number 8, which we found on PMBOK 6, that is quality. Build quality into processes and results. We need to build in the quality. With that we move on to a new one, a new topic, that is complexity, which we did not discuss on PMBOK 6. Complexity address the complexity using the knowledge, experience and learning. So as you can see, once again learning comes into play. That tells how important learning in PMBOK 7. Number 10, opportunities and threats. That addresses the opportunities and threats, the environment that you are working on, inside, internal and external. Number 11, it's about adaptability and resilience. You need to be adaptable and resilient throughout the project. This is the main difference from PMBOK 6 to PMBOK 7, because now you can adjust the theory of PM knowledge to any project, not once in a while, but you can use for almost all the projects. Number 12 is about change management. Enable change to archive the envision's future state. So if you recall, PMBOK 6 also give much weight towards change management. Likewise, PMBOK 7 also give a massive weight towards so guys, before I end this video, I would like to give a little summary of what we discussed today and little summary from PMBOK 6 to PMBOK 7, the changes. Here are the main takeaways as world moves from PMBOK 6 to PMBOK 7th edition. The primary takeaway is the PMI is moving from the process-based approach to holistic principle-based approach, similar to agile world. So they are embedding agile into PMBOK. And the second one is the standoff project management has moved from 5 domains to the 12 principles which we discussed today. The final one, the skeleton structure, has moved from knowledge areas of 10 to performance domains of 8. The next video I'll be making about discussing about the performance domains, the 8 performance domains. So stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Comment below the areas that you want me to discuss in my future videos. Thank you, and give a thumbs up if you like the content.